Welcome to our first online English class in the ILC. Today I'm going to teach you a few idioms that are commonly used and helpful to understand English well. The first one that I'm going to teach you is to learn the ropes. To learn the ropes means to learn the basics of how to do a job. For example, we might say, he has just started teaching English and he's learning the ropes these days. The second idiom is to pick someone's brain. That means to ask questions to someone to learn about a topic. An example would be, I am going to start a business and I would like to pick your brain about it. I'd like to ask you questions and get advice from you. The third one is to speak the same language. That means to understand someone because of shared values or because of similar backgrounds. So an example would be, my sister and I, we speak the same language. It means we understand each other really well. The fourth one is to know someone inside out, and that means to know someone really well. An example would be, my mother knows me inside out. She always knows what I want, what food I would like, or how I feel. And the last idiom today is, great minds think alike. That you would say in a situation when maybe your friend has said exactly what you were thinking about, and you would then say, great minds think alike. These were the idioms for today. Have a nice day.